I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we're going over how to increase hotness during your Omlet Arcade live stream. Okay, so to increase your hotness during an Omlet Arcade live stream, you have to hit this plus button right here, and then you want to go to game stream. Now, hotness is only available for the actual Omlet Arcade app, not for YouTube. There's no hotness there, and there's no hotness increase for Twitch. So to increase your hotness, you will have to stream on using the Omlet Arcade app. Now, there's ways to stream on multiple platforms. You have to pay for that. I didn't pay for that, so I'm just gonna stream on the Omlet Arcade app. So now I hit the next button. We're gonna live stream a Mario Kart Tour game. Check the stream settings, always save to device. You can see this button right here, and the orientation is under portrait. Now there's a way to do under auto. I normally set the orientation under the game that I'm playing. If I'm playing a game like Mario, it's under portrait. If I was playing a game like Call of Duty or Apex Legends, I would change the orientation from portrait to landscape, right? To landscape. But for this live stream, I'm going to go with portrait. Okay, so everything is done. In order to increase hotness, you have to go past all of these parts right here. Hit done. Gonna hit start. Okay, so the stream has now started. As you can see, the hotness is currently at 1090. That is not 1092. That does not mean you have like 1000 people viewing. It's just like an overall hotness for what's happening on the main page. Now, in order to increase your hotness, you have to, you want to hit the flame button right here, and then you go down to matches. As you can see, I currently have 4 matches. I will show how to get matches at the end of this video, but to increase hotness, you get 1.15x hotness for 10 minutes under your live stream. You have to do this after. Now, you can do it for 10 minutes. I have 4, so I can do it for up to 40 minutes, right? But I'm just going to do it to 10 minutes, and then you're going to see it's going to go from what it was 1092 to 1256. I'm going to use this right now. Okay, now hotness, it's 10 minutes extra hotness. Now we're currently, as you can see, we're at 1257. We're gonna play this Mario Kart game real quick. Just play one round of the Mario Kart game and see what the hotness looks like at the end. Like I said, hotness is only available for the Omlet Arcade app. It's not available on Facebook, Twitch, or those hotness is just basically an overall hotness ranking on the main page. I'm gonna check the main page and see if I made the main page or something like that. Okay. Use those. Okay, so that was fun. Now you can see my hotness is currently at 1264. So that's how you increase hotness. As you can see, I'm on the main page. When you go on the main page, if you're live streaming, it will show up on, so you can see people will find your stream on the main page. Now, in order to get hotness, how to get matches, you go, let me go back to the main page. You go to this store button right here. And in order to get matches, you have to watch ads. When you watch one ad, you know, the normal ads for almost all of these platforms, all these platforms basically have 30-second ads that gives you extra bonuses. As you can see, I have 3 matches at the moment. Let's just watch this ad so I could show you how to get hotness, how to get matches to increase hotness. You just have to watch a 30-second video. I haven't played Call of Duty in like 4 months. I just stopped playing Call of Duty. I have no urge to play Call of Duty mobile at all. I'm waiting for Call of Duty, not Call of Duty, I'm waiting for Warzone mobile to come out. That would be pretty fun. Let's see, that's how you get it. Now, you got 1 extra match right there. And, so now I have 4 matches. So that's how you get matches. You can get up to, I think, six matches at a time. And then it's like a cooldown of about maybe 6 hours, maybe 12 hours. But you can get up to like 6 matches at a time. That means you can get up to 60 minutes per stream. Now, when you use your hotness, it only lasts for 10 minutes. So if you run a live stream for only 5 minutes, the hotness minutes does not carry over. That is very important. So if you use the hotness for 10 minutes and you only use 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 6 minutes, it does not carry over, obviously. And like I said, you can get up to 6 matches per, you know, how many ads you want to watch. It's on the home screen. You go to this store button right up here, and then you go to stream, right? Under stream, you can get matches are for free. Obviously, the OM rocket, the volcano, the bomb, the candle, these are a little bit more, and they offer a little bit higher value. You can see the candle gives you 1.25. The OM rocket gives you 5 times for 40 minutes. 5 times the volume for 40 minutes. So if you want to do that, but the matches are for free. You have to watch a 30-second ad to get matches, but you can get up to 60 minutes, about 6 matches every 6 hours, I believe. So that is how you increase hotness on the Omlet Arcade app. Let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, or any problems streaming or figuring out how to use your hotness on the Omlet Arcade app. As I said, once you start your stream, you have to go to this flame button right here, and it's only available under the Omlet Arcade app. It's not available for YouTube, it's not available for Twitch, and it's not available for Facebook. There's ways you could stream on multiple platforms using Omlet Arcade, but you could only use matches, and you can only use hotness when you stream on the Omlet Arcade app. So when you start your stream, hit this flame button, and depends on how many matches you have, you can use them per stream. I am Jason. The world is yours. Today we're talking about how to increase hotness on the Omlet Arcade app during your live stream. Thank you for watching.